How to stop your iPhone from automatically turning off. So if you want your iPhone to be active, the screen to be always active, you can do that by preventing your iPhone from turning off automatically. Tap on the settings icon, then scroll up until you get to display and brightness. Tap on it. Now scroll up again until you see auto lock button. Tap on it. Now you have ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes or never. If you tap on never, this is very dangerous and risky. You ask me why? Because if eventually you on your phone with the power button and you forget to press the power button again to off the screen, so many things can happen here. One, it consumes your phone battery and this will affect your iPhone battery. Then what if you just left your phone outside or somewhere else and somebody access your phone because the screen is on? Then this might cause issue. Someone might access your data information on your iPhone. But because I record with my phone, so each time I want to record, I make it on 2 minutes so that the screen will not go down. But once I am through with the recording, I tap on 30 seconds so that after 30 seconds, even if I eventually forget to tap the power button for the screen to go down, then the iPhone will go down on its own. So in case you want to learn how to stop your iPhone from automatically turning off, then you can adopt this system. But I don't encourage you guys to do that, but I'm making this just to elaborate or to explain to you on how to stop your iPhone to go down without your permission. So if you enjoyed this tip, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.